Hello. 9 raised to power x times 9 raised to power x is equal to 90. Find x. This is going to be 9 raised to power x raised to power 2 equals to 90. By indices, I can handle this exponent using this rule. A raised to power m raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m times n. Therefore, this equation becomes 9 raised to power x times 2 is 2x, then equal to 90. I'll take the logarithm of both sides, giving me log 9 raised to power 2x is equal to log 90. And by this rule of logarithm, log a raised to power m is equal to m log a. So this 2x comes here as a pre-multiplier. So times log 9 is equal to log 90. I'll divide through by log 9 on both sides. So this takes care of this. Then I have 2x is equal to log 90 divided by log 9. I can also write this as 2x is equal to log, this would be 9 times 10, then divided by log 9. By logarithm, log AB is equal to log A plus log B, meaning that 2x is equal to log 9 plus log 10 divided by log 9. Let us separate this division. This will give us 2x is equal to log 9 divided by log 9. Then plus, this will be log 10 divided by log 9. Log 9 here is 1. Log 9 here is 1, giving us 2x is equal to 1 plus log 10 divided by log 9. This implies 2x is equal to 1 plus 10 here is 2 times 5, so I'll write log 2 times 5. Then divided by 9 here is log 3 squared. So 2x is equal to 1 plus log 2 plus log 5 divided by, this is going to be 2 log 3. So I'll say divided by 2 log 3. And then separate the division into 2x equals 1 plus log 2 divided by 2 log 3 plus log 5 divided by 2 log 3. I can rewrite this as 2x is equal to 1 plus, this is the same thing as saying 1 over 2 log 2 divided by log 3 plus, this is the same thing as saying 1 over 2 log 5 divided by log 3. And these two expressions, this one and this one, are of the form log A over log B, which is commonly expressed as log A base B. So this will become log 2 base 3, this will become log 5 base 3, and we can say that 2x is equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 log 2 base 3 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 3. So we now have to divide by 2 to solve for x. This cancels this, and x is going to be 1 over 2 plus, this is 1 over 2. 1 over 2 divided by 2 is 1 over 4. Then log 2 base 3 plus the same thing here, 1 over 4 log 5 base 3. So our final answer is x equal to 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 log 2 base 3 plus 1 over 4 log 5 base 3. Thanks for watching this video. If you have found it helpful, please like and remember to share. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video.